Okay, everyone. So, good news, the project has been approved. So, we are definitely on our way as far as the Kickstarter project goes. Some of these things we're still working out, like exactly how much we're going to need to raise, things of that nature. But we just have some ideas right now of where we want to go. We did have a couple issues that we had to work through as far as some of the rewards we were thinking of offering. So, they really wanted the rewards not to include anything that had to be repackaged. So originally in the bundles that I was thinking of offering, what I had soldering irons, I had multimeters, and some other key tools that are useful for the project. They didn't want me to have those, so what I've done instead is added some additional things that you can use, but I won't be able to add those particular things, which is that's fine. I can work around that. We have some general pricing. These things are still going to change as we go forward, and we have some ideas of how we want to provide some different levels and different opportunities. I definitely am planning on giving out some of these beta tester editions for free when I get them ready. So be ready for that. Still working on exactly how many videos we're going to offer, how many components exactly we're going to have in the kit. So this is just a quick early access peek into what's going on. So definitely want to stay tuned. We're working on this and hopefully we can get this all sorted out. We're developing the story. Some of that I've already pushed to the promotional side of the Kickstarter over here. Some of it I've put on our website. What I'm trying to do is continue to build this, continue to work this out. And so we're still getting feedback on this. One of the best pieces of feedback I've gotten so far is just that I need to make it clearer on all the things that this is. It's not just a project where you're going to build the kit. There's actually a whole bunch of electronics activities that you get. We're really hoping to get that 3D printed, at least holder at the very least. We'd love to have some way to actually 3D print buttons and some other things that would really make this stand out. So we're working on that right now, working with a couple SolidWorks designers on that. So depending on how doable that is, we're gonna definitely at least have the ability to hold this thing in a more comfortable state with some hand grips and things like that. That's the bare minimum. But I'd love to have some buttons and maybe a cover that can make this thing really stand out. And as we go, we're gonna work on some artwork and things like that to make the instruction manual all pop and everything look good, as well as make it clear how the main quests, side quests, and lore is all structured. And we'll get more into that in some other videos. So make sure to check out our links in the description if you want to follow the project, and we'd love to hear what you think.